How to change icon color in Realme device. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up the settings in your mobile device. After that, scroll down a bit and then tap on Wallpaper. You will land on this interface. Scroll down a bit and from there choose the basic color option. And under that you will get various color. Swipe it to left and then choose the color you want. For example, I want to have this green color. Select it. Now once you select that, scroll down a bit and make sure to turn on this toggle for a themed icon. Turn on this toggle. Now once you're done with that, if you go back to your home page in your mobile device, and there you can see the color of your icon has been changed. In my case, it has been changed to green color as you can see in this interface. So that's how you can change the color icon in your Realme device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next video.